let's simplify this trigonometric expression on the board. Of course, for we to be able to do this, you must be conversant with the concept of trigonometric identities. What? Very simple. Okay, we are given that sine square x divided by 1 plus cos x plus sine square x divided by 1 minus cos x. So we are asked to simplify to the simplest form. What? Now, even without being told, since we are having positive separating these two expressions, of course, to make both of them a conjoint fraction, all we need to do is very simple: find the LCM. It is fun to watch. Keep watching. Okay, first thing we have to do is get the LCM of these two fractions, and the LCM of these two fractions is definitely 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x. Then let's divide. When 1 plus cos x divides this product, of course 1 plus cos x will cancel out 1 plus cos x. We are left with 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos x multiplying sine square x, we're going to have sine square x in bracket 1 minus cos x. We continue. Then plus, we go again. 1 minus cos x into this expression beneath. Of course, 1 minus cos x we cancel out 1 minus cos x. We are left with 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x will multiply sine square x. So we're going to have sine square x in bracket 1 plus cos x. Then we'll do the expansion. Very simple. Let's go. Sine square x times 1 is sine square x. Then minus sine square x times minus cos x is minus sine square x cos x. Then over to plus sine x, sine square x. Now plus sine square x times 1 is plus sine square x. Then sine square x times cos x is plus sine square x cos x. Then all divided by, if you observe, the denominator can be resolved using difference of two squares. We have here 1 plus cos x multiplying 1 minus cos x. This can be written simply as, because if we do the expansion, what we're going to have is 1 minus cos square x. That is using difference of two squares. Because in difference of two squares, remember that a squared minus b squared is certain as saying a minus b multiplying a plus b. Using difference of two squares, as we all know. Now let's keep solving. Minus sine square x cos x plus sine square x cos x. Of course, will cancel themselves out. So we are left with sine square x plus sine square x divided by 1 minus cos square x. Now, let's solve further. Sine square x plus sine square x is 2 sine square x. So we have 2 sine square x divided by 1 minus cos square x. Fine. According to the concept of trig identities, remember or will recall that sine square x is equals, remember that sine square x is equals 1 minus cos square x. If you have this in mind, of course, we can substitute 1 minus cos square x for the value of sine square x in this expression. If we do that, we're going to have 2. Instead of writing sine square x, just have 2 in bracket 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 minus cos squared x. So in return, this will cancel out this. So we are left with 2 as the result. I hope you understood this. So the simplification of this trigonometric expression is equals 2. Hope you understood this. Bye-bye.